Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you split screen multitasking on OnePlus Nord 6. First, choose an app you want to view in the split screen. Then open Recent Apps and tap on the icon Choose Split Screen and choose the second app you want to use. Now in this view, you can resize the apps to your preference, swap the sides. You can save it as a group app that will appear on your home screen for later use. You can even grab one app and throw it into a floating window that you can close by swiping up quickly. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.